Alright, good morning guys. I said good morning. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For some of y'all is welcome, some of y'all is welcome back. You don't know who I am. I'll eventually properly introduce myself, but for right now I'm just go ahead and say my name is Sifon. It's Sifon Isidore by the name of the channel. So today I will be going into details of this wig I have here on my head. I ordered it by the title of this video. You know, I ordered it from KENDRA'S boutique. What I ordered was a 24, 24, 22, and a 18-inch closure. 3 bundles and a closure. This is supposed to be the hair I was supposed to wear to Puerto Rico Afro Nation. If you know, if you know, if you know. I don't like talking about it because it gets me upset. It gets me all riled up. So I needed some like hair to, and I wanted to do like a bit of like, I'll insert the picture of like kind of wherever I can find space to fit it. I can show the picture of the look I was going for. I didn't exactly accomplish the look. I came close enough, but not even close enough. But you know what? I like this color a lot more, so I'm not mad at it. You know, I'm gonna try that color later on. So basically, I needed hair for Afro Nation, and I ordered from KENDRA'S boutique because, you know, I was doing my research and that was like a good price point. It was at a good price point and it was quality hair, you know, like people like Cash Doll wear it. And I was just like, okay, Cash Doll wears it. Look, Cash Doll is that girl. So look, I might as well become that girl as well. I ordered the 24, like I said, 24, 24, 22. And I had ordered the Brazilian loose curly. And if you know KENDRA'S hair boutique hair, it's not Brazilian loose curly. It's not. Is not. I was waiting for my hair. Like I ordered it, I want to say late February. Here I am waiting like a week before I'm supposed to leave for Afro Nation. I'm just like, where's my hair? Like, where's hair? And I like they said it was supposed to only take like about a week to get here, and like 2 weeks went by and I'm just like, where is this hair? Mind you, they're giving me a tracking number like halfway through the process, and like the tracking number was not updating, and I was just like, where is my hair? So one day I was just like, you know what, after work I'm gonna call them, I'm gonna see where my hair is, because like that's the one thing people said about KENDRA'S boutique. People said that their customer service is just quality. Like they really take the time to make sure their customers are taken care of. So I'm here like, okay, bet, I'll be handled straight. Customer service will be chef's kiss. I didn't even get to call. They called me while I was at work, and I went over and snuck it because, you know, if you work like that, a job that doesn't pay you salary, you know how it be sometimes. You can't use your phone on the job. It sucks. It sucks, bruv. Mine's be taking up our phone if we're using it on the job. I'm just like, do you pay my phone bill? You don't, so why are you taking up my phone? But that's besides the point. That's besides the point. That's a topic for another conversation. So like, had to run off, go take the call. They were just basically like, yeah, we discontinued the Brazilian. Dude, I suck at this, but I can't remember the name. They discontinued the Brazilian loose curly, and I'm just here like, so yeah, I wasn't gonna tell nobody. They gave me the option of doing either return, like getting my money back, or they would just like, I choose different bundles to order. I was just like, I need hair, so I might as well just order different bundles. It's not the exact curl pattern I wanted, but you know what? We'll make do. Close enough. They're both loose something. So not even loose something. This is a deep wave. This one right here I have in my head is deep wave. So I went ahead and just ordered a deep wave because I was talking to one of my friends. She said that's what she ordered. She said that curl pattern is really, really good. I was like, you know what? Let me go ahead and order that. So I ordered the deep wave, and it got here within like a day after they called me. So you mean to tell me my hair would have gone here a lot sooner if y'all were on top of your stuff and called me ahead of time? Like, then again, it's my fault for not even reaching out once it like passed the 7-day mark. But you know what? Who's keeping track? Who's keeping score? So basically what I did was like, I got my hair, like the next day I started working on the color. I'll go ahead and, like I said, insert like the pictures of what I use, like the products I used, and like exactly what I use. I can't really go into detail about what I did because I didn't film it. But I would definitely go ahead and put down a link to the video that kind of guided me, and I'll put that down in the description below. Also the products, I'll put a picture up here or somewhere wherever I can fit it on the screen, and then I'll also put it down in the description below, so y'all can go ahead and, like, if you want to try out this color, you try it out. And then, so basically now I'm like working on the bundles and I'm working on the closure. like the hair is taking color really nicely, and like no, it's taking color nicely and fast. My only issue when it came to like coloring was that the fact that I just bleached the closure, and the closure was like ashy, like it came out ashy, and that was like the exact like look I was going for, like the ash like blonde, like not really like, you know, like a brassy blonde. But then I now bleached when I was bleaching the bundles, like those came out like brassy, like brassy. It took a lot of toner. I had to buy like 2 containers of toner. So I don't know if it was like the exact batch of bundles I got, or if that's just like an overall thing. Cause you know, like this is virgin hair. It's not like processed to the point where like kind of every hair behaves the same. I feel like it still has like level of uniqueness to it. Like each hair has a level of uniqueness to it. So my hair might react differently than somebody else's hair when it comes to like taking color and all of that. So that's like my main issue with the color. Like it was just like the bundles were just a lot brassier than the closure itself. So I was just really annoyed because it took a lot of work to get the bundles to match a bit. And even now I don't feel like it's perfectly matched or where I want it to be. Like I got tired, but eventually I'm probably gonna go back with some more like toner to get like more of that like ashy look to it. For right now it's like it's wearable. It's very wearable. Um then my next big issue was with the closure. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days. Like the whole time I was working with this closure, I just wanted to beat myself in the head. So my first mess up was because I bleached the closure, and here I am like just wanting to like bleach my knots because like I'm rushing. I don't want to have to like process the hair like most like just deal with the. I just didn't want to deal with it like anymore because it was frustrating me. The hair like coloring is a process. So like if someone charges you like $200 to color your hair, pay it because it's not an easy task. Like it's not. It's not. I boosted $200, but like you get what I mean. Like don't question people when they try and charge to color hair because it's taxing. It's a taxing labor. So whatever price they're charging, it's 9 times out of 10 if they're good at what they do. If it's good, 9 times out of 10 if they are good at what they do, then it's worth the money. The closure was that it kept ripping. It kept ripping. The first rip was like my fault. I'll take the blame for that, like 100%. Like I was trying to like rush to bleach the knots for the closure, and I took a blow dryer to the lace, and like I got a little bit too close, and I like burned a little bit of a hole. It wasn't that big of a hole, and then like as I progressively continue to work with the closure, like holes kept popping up left and right. Like if you see the number of holes that are in my head right now, girl, you would be surprised if this wig is laying flat. I will be showing you how I went ahead and like covered up those holes and like fixed up those holes, and I'll be putting that in like a next video, like the next couple videos, like whenever I get a chance to film it. So basically, like I was just the first haul I was like, you know what, whatever, it's fine, that's an easy fix, like don't sweat it. But like just holes kept popping up and I was just getting really frustrated. I'm just glad that a hole didn't pop up where I was gonna like part it. Like I'm wearing a center part and a hole didn't pop up, so we're good with that. We're good with that. We're good on that. And yeah, that's like the only issue I had with that. Like, and other than that, this hair is fantastic. Like I said, I washed it a couple times. I washed it when I bleached it. I washed it because I did a couple bleachings to get like different like levels of like different. Look, I'm not a hairstylist, but the video will explain it a bit more. The video I'm gonna attach below is gonna explain it a bit more. But yeah, like I just bleached it to get like different levels, and like each bleaching I had to wash it, and like when I toned it I had to wash it. So I'm pretty sure I washed just from the bleaching process alone, I've washed it like 3 or 4 times, and then I washed it again just to finally when I made the wig. And after I made the wig, I washed it again to like get like the toner smell out of it, because it's still, the toner smell would not go away. And the toner smell was so strong, so I had to wash it with like a bit more of like a stronger perfumey perfume, a stronger perfumey shampoo. I had to wash it and like so I could get out the toning smell. But yeah, like the toning smell's gone. I've washed it like probably, yeah, like I said, washed it 4 times, and then so I washed it about 5, 6 times, and still holding up strongly. She's still doing great. She's soft. She's not matted. She's not dry. The ends are not like dead. Like they still look luscious. Like all of that. Like look, this hair is worth the investment, except for like the minor issue I had with the closure. Like, it's minor, but it's like also major. But if you work carefully, like if you work carefully, if you work really, really carefully and really, really slow, you could probably avoid that. And then probably just try not to over bleach the knots. Like, if you're gonna color the hair, just kind of like try and like lower the amount of processing you do. But I would recommend this hair like 10 out of 10. I'm not saying 10 out of 10. I would give it an 8 out of 10. Like, the only reason I'm giving it an 8 is because of the closure. Other than that, like, everything is perfect. For like hair that's somewhat curly, it doesn't mat up in the back. You know, like when you get AliExpress hair and like it's like after like one wear, it's already starting to mat up in the back. Like, hair even like a bit curly like this, it'll still start matting up in the back. This doesn't do that. Like, I could rub my finger through the back if I wanted to. Like, if I wanted to. It's curly hair, don't do it while it's dry, but like, you get me. You're not like stuck at the nape like doing that. You can run your fingers through it, you know. It's nice and soft after all the washes I've done. So like, this hair is like overall like, it's quality hair. It's quality hair, and it's worth every penny I paid for it. If you're gonna like, I say that if you're gonna buy curly hair, you should just definitely like just take the chance to just invest in like really good hair, because like 9 times out of 10 you're gonna be really frustrated with like if you buy curly hair from AliExpress vendors, unless like I'm able, not on me, but like unless you're just able to find like a good vendor, like AliExpress vendor who sells really, really good curly hair. Like, I just think like just put in the money, just a bit of money, and invest. This will last you a lot longer. But yeah, overall this hair is really, really good. Like I said, 8 out of 10. We definitely recommend. Just a slight issue with the closure. I'm gonna try and figure out why that was happening, but I've never had like an issue when I've like bleached my knots. But then again, I don't know. I don't know. This might be like a thinner and softer lace, so that might have been what it was. But yeah, like I said, this hair is just really, really good. Definitely recommend buying it. And yeah, like I said, it'll make you the it girl. This hair will just take you from drab to fab. It'll take you from, I can think of anything else, but you know, it'll elevate your look. It'll elevate your look. I really like it, and I hope y'all take my advice. Not take my advice, but like, y'all definitely do like log on to Kendra's Hair Boutique. I also leave the links to the exact bundles I bought, like the exact bundles I have in my head. And yeah, thank y'all for watching. Be on the lookout for my next couple of videos. Yeah, it'll be next video will be kind of one where you get to know me a bit better, get to know who I am, just kind of know what my channel is gonna be for and all that. And yeah, I hope y'all stick around and like, comment, subscribe. You know, just get this channel popping. Let's just get this channel popping. Let's just get it popping on and popping. Bye.